Alright, it's a call media thing this. I'm a sober Sparks and one savage on it. Yes, kan kaburizu. Tinkusharaga kwizaha nyenka. Of course ni manyi ziri kubanzurira abantu abasya ninga shubaretera abantu muntu eno mumanya. And here I am. Nabanzurira umusawa mani. Sabo twakwakira nkore media.
Yes sir.
Abazina gawe abantu abatakumanya.
Amazina go bizagwanda tumubwine Roland.
Then agaga kore sent.
Ziza Lojan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So organize Rajan like Ziza Rajan, what you do no kwara sisa kubasa kure tom kamera sa like what do you do both camera teria nankan teria ya politics in English.
Yeah.
So who is Ziza Rajan?
Ziza Lojan is a songwriter and also a musician. Rukuye na shongoro nyankore tabura makajunka chekache
kazungu kiye no kuzamwa kujangu ataka kubuzabuza.
Exactly.
Now tugarike by the way on your this song of yours sorry omoti.
Yeah,
but tell makapira by tell makapira.
Okay. Nkuzi yanje nikunda I swear at downtown nikunde bya mazima I will never let you down. Iwo kanzo mutima ninkwe huro mutima no nuri nkakashonje ko bwoshi.
Then that is him. What was it no?
JK's Bature. Studio 49.
Big song by the way. JK's na attention wa mujoko mu studio because
very good producer.
Takushaka kunyiga makogira mutiya kumanya.
No. Nekesho ngoro cyandikire kubi. Nawe kana iterereza muna wayihandikira mwayo kwatara. So
ina hu yakwatira.
Yeah. Antiko moti the second verse. Akankwatira umazuma think when ngimbi hunting. Tinga chona.
So his flowers.
Yeah.
So
pick up on yourself. JK's.
So this is a Rojan. Yeah. That's how many songs do you have so far? When you song or ringa?
I have 2 songs. Konka bikaye birusha tukaichini collabo. You can't shaka bakweshunga.
Kotaka serious. So oine umoti what other song do you have?
And even bageta Western Beauty. Na yega korwa JK's.
JK's yangaruko.
By then
Alpha
Music.
Abwencho rukwanguhirwa gukora munonga na JK's. JK's na kwanguhira munonga ni.
JK's na nyangwira nko kuchura. Akuba party day. Chisho cyange cha party day ikina kozera na RMC. Tukachikorera Massive Records. Then Carmen kind deba okweshonga ni kumanya oba. Nashanga ndikubasa kuchikora then nisha na shumom Alpha Music nkani ngenda JK's na mushanga ya. Natwe ni bra JK's. Okuna bini mutekateka kuko nashanje ari gukora.
Yakore chinto washita.
Yakore chinto chenye.
So ibyo songoro byawe you are one of the youngest artists by the way of Western Uganda ine. Like abantu ba receive ngere abantu muzika ngino bajuhura ninga nombukora abantu babero.
Music ntujikora. Uka challenges za upcoming uzumanya.
Aka stage tokurinyo.
Bakabere bazuri. So uka upcoming.
So ine anyway uba kwire stage like Western Uganda kuja inenka uwajero kakwereza stage kujangu. You have a chance to show the world what you can do.
I know. Chance wa kujifuna ndo utekwa kutamu.
So ensonga yamaja buri omwana kwenda hamaji.
Ensonga yamaja buri omwana naitaga amaji.
So hati abantu basobore abantu bakumanye music yawe nibagishanga nkahi.
Yeah, music yanje. YouTube eriyo, TikTok eriyo. Hawe biz. Na eriyo no gishanga yamwe na jaja na horo kugishanga.
Amazina go
Ziza Lojan.
Okay.
Ufuna kurunji munonga na wataipinga muziza kuriya bakuretera.
So
when you must paying a Rojan tugamisa binji.
So no teka muziza deno teka utaiteche songoro mchere.
Yeah.
So by the way so abarebitu bankore media this echincho stigonjeza okukora kugira ngo we are giving as many more people chances kugira ngo umuntu weno ryoko if there is an artist there yes zakwereza chance tukore turabase anabandi batandikira but the truth is give these people business by the business ni we MC ahora musange DJ ahora musange utakaje muntu namanya because one day you never know.
But first of all tubatenda kweshongora busha.
Tuma batakweta said wakato shangano warukaga ndi ntano warukwenda. By the way so mantu mbahereza chances aba bana because you never know. At one time naona usangaro iji hino wamtire chikono ngo ataza stage. At one time usanga hino wamyemere airplay so do what you can kujangu tutungwe industry ya Western Uganda kujangu tugira kutwagisya so ebigambo byawe byamera abafans aba kutureba.
Bigambo byanje ngenda management I'm looking for a management.
You want a manager? So manager when already
so manager when already music yanjye gifollowing ugihurikize
arezana zurugamo
arezana zurugamo ukindi kumanza urugamo.
So with that being said ogone wo mushija mwetaziza Russian mugende mu music yeye YouTube hobbies nko kuyabagambira byona kandi okusana gundo murundi amazina nabanyita Sparks nabantu ambinda Savage Camera. This is Kole Media, the biggest YouTube family in Western Uganda.